What's up, guys? Philip at Trade Genius. Well, I know it's ugly out there in crypto land, but I wanted to show you guys a few examples of how you can still be going to the buy side on things and making money using our indicators. So let's dive into that in this video.
Trade Genius.
All right, guys. So basically, again, when we like to take our indicators, we load up the linear regression channel. That's built into TradingView, and we like to take them when they fire and the candles are firing in the bottom portion. These are for when you're buying, okay, in the bottom portion of the range. You can see that they precede some pretty decent moves up. So plenty of opportunity to capture gains in this market, even though things are seemingly down and whatnot. So there's an example with Ethereum on the hourly, and this works on all different time frames. Again, we really like it if it's really oversold. Again, we're waiting for confirmation on these signals, but it falls out of the channel. You get a buy confirmation, and then boom, another leg higher. All right, that's Monacoin. This is another example of where looking for longs again. So on EOS, get a signal here, pops up all the way out to the other side of the channel, and again, that could be one of your targets that you take, where you get to the other side of the channel and take profit. But this is I'm gonna get that thing to go away. But again, these signals fire, it's actionable. Again, looking at over here, Miota fires, caught a nice long trend up to the opposite end of the channel. Now this one here you wouldn't necessarily want to take because the price already has moved to the other top side of the channel, so you don't want to really take those because they've already been overbought. You're looking for things that are in oversold, and the linear regression just takes a lot of the guesswork out of it and just kind of shows you relative oversold, overbought conditions. All right, so just showing you guys that there's a lot of little opportunities in the market here for you to take these setups. Now, if you're interested in getting those, you can head over to tradelikeagenius.com, and our Black Friday specials have been extended to Cyber Monday because of the demand. So guys, yeah, the indicators, you can get this package here, number 4. It's got our signal service, chat room, lessons, those indicators. So everything that you really need to do that program is all in this package here, and we have several other ones too if you want something that's a little more tailored to something else that you want. But again, these are marked way down for the year, and again, that goes away Monday night. So take advantage of that while you can. Also too, we have our crypto bear market strategies course. You can get this half off, as with all the other courses. Just put in Cyber Monday in the coupon code. Cyber Monday, half off anything that's not bundled in the stores. All right, guys. Well, I hope that helps. Again, a lot of little opportunities. If you're interested in that, in those indicators or how we trade them, come on in and join us. And again, mark these specials that we have are marked down, lowest prices of the year. So until tomorrow night. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.
Trade Genius.